I recently received a question on how to handle an order where you have both part of the order is bringing some material into the site and the other part is taking some material away from the site. So I set up some data to give you an example of how that's done, and I'm going to walk through that real quickly. So first, let's go in and look at this order that I set up. And just a standard order, and what's important is what we have down on the bottom, where you see that we're going to be getting 57 stone from Vulcan Lyman, and we're going to be bringing it into the site, and then we're going to take contaminated dirt to affordable pit. And the thing to note here is that we have this set up as a backhaul. So now let's go ahead and look at how this looks on the schedule with the two line items on the schedule. And here you see those two line items on the schedule, where this top one is bringing the 57 stone in and the bottom one is taking the contaminated dirt away. Thing to note here is we're using truck 540, and I've set truck 540 up with half the day it's bringing the material in and half the day it's bringing it out. Now, it's not real important what that breakdown is, so I just kept it simple, and we'll call it half the time for each. And then what I did, since I wanted to start with the bringing the material in, I went in and chose dispatch the driver. Now I don't have to do that here because I've already set that up, and then I've set up a dispatch that then takes the material out, and another one that brings some stone in, and another one that takes the dirt out. So if we go and look at the truck dispatch list, you'll see that the first dispatch the driver gets is to go to the pit and get the Vulcan Lyman and get the 57 stone and bring it to 123 Main Street. And as soon as they mark that completed, they'll see the next one that takes the contaminated dirt from the job site to the affordable pit. When that one's finished, then they come and see the next one that's bringing the material in, and finally the dispatch that takes the last load of dirt out. So hopefully that gives an idea of how you can chain together these dispatches so that you can handle both a straight haul and a back haul on the same order.